Importance of Basma. Easily absorbed and usable calcium. Cleans the kidney, intestine and liver. Maintains storage, bones and healthier teeth. Elevate insomnia, depression. Keeps rhythmic heart beating. Keeps mineral balance. Helps metabolize iron in body. Protect body from free radical damage. Achieve a healthy alkaline level by neutralizing acid. Standardization of Basma. Physical characteristic: color, that is Varna, lusterness, lightness and fineness, tactile sensation, particle size. Novel dosage forms. Various conventional dosage forms release the drug immediately, causing blood level fluctuations. Hence, to maintain drug levels in therapeutically effective range, novel dosage forms are developed. Novel drug delivery system means the approaches, formulations, technologies and the system to transport of pharmaceutical compound in the body so that it can be safely achieve its desired therapeutic activity. Novel drug delivery system is nothing but the combination of advanced techniques, new dosage forms in which drug is delivered by the system other than conventional delivery system. Advantages of novel dosage form: solubility and viability of phytoconstituent is enhanced. Distribution and pharmacological activity is enhanced. Drugs can be released at predetermined rate and deliver the drug at the site of action. Produce less toxicity as novel dosage forms avoid accumulation of drug to non-target areas. Stability of phytoconstituents can be improved. Easily administered to pediatric and geriatric patients, sustained drug delivery can be achieved. Disadvantages: conventional dosage forms cannot be exert effect for long period of time. Phytoconstituent cannot be released at desired site of action. Desired therapeutic response cannot be achieved. Phytoconstituents limited solubility and viability when administered by conventional dosage forms. So first novel dosage form is liposome. Liposomes are microparticulate colloidal carriers having 0.05 to 5 micrometer of diameter. Liposome consist of polar lipid and have hydrophilic and lipophilic groups. Liposomes are artificial microscopic vesicles containing one or more phospholipid layers enclosing an aqueous core. In liposomes, hydrophilic heads are orient towards the water compartment, while lipophilic tails orient towards the center of the vesicle. Thus, they form a bilayer. They can be used to convey vaccines, drugs, enzymes, or other substances target cells and organs. This is how liposomes look like. They have hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail in aqueous solution, and this is the bilayer present over here. This is a liposome for drug delivery. In this the same is explained. It consists of DNA, then the drug crystallized in aqueous fluid. This is a lipid bilayer which is lipid soluble drug in bilayer. These are the peptides present, and this is the protective layer against the immune destruction. Preparation: lipids are isolated organic solvents. Lipids are dispersing in aqueous media. Drug loading is carried out by active and passive loading techniques. Purification and evaluation of liposomes. Advantages: they are highly biocompatible. They are biodegradable, biologically inactive, non-immunogenic in nature. Easy to prepare, acts as a carrier for hydrophilic, amphiphilic and lipophilic compounds. It can be used to produce control release and sustain release formulation. Next, phytosome. The term phyto means the plant and some means of cell-like. Phytosomes are novel dosage forms of standardized plant extract of water-soluble phytoconstituents which are entrapped in phospholipids to produce lipid-compatible molecular complexes. It shows enhanced absorption and bioavailability. Preparation of phytosomes. Phospholipids are dissolved in organic solvents. Then the extract of phytoconstituent is in above solution in ratio 1:1. The isolation of phytosomal complex can be carried out by precipitation with solvents containing aliphatic hydrocarbons or by lyophilization or by spray drying. Phospholipid like phosphatidyl choline isolated from soybean is commonly used in preparation of phytosomes. Phytoconstituents attach phospholipid by forming a chemical bond. Advantages of phytosomes. Phytosomes can give protection against destruction of herb by digestive secretion and gut bacteria. Proper drug delivery at a site of action. Nutrient safety of herbal drug is retained. Reduction in dose, enhanced absorption and bioavailability of active principle. Entrapment efficiency is high and predetermined. Has greater clinical benefit, superior to liposomes in skin care cosmetics. Better stability due to formation of chemical bonds. Next is nanoparticles. Nanoparticles are nano-sized particles ranging from 10 to 1000 nanometer containing synthetic or semi-synthetic or herbal drugs. These are used as a carrier for hydrophilic and hydrophobic drugs. In nanospheres, active ingredient is dispersed in a matrix, matrix-type structure, whereas the nanocapsules contain drug enclosed in a polymeric membrane. Nanoparticles are prepared with the objective to control particle size, surface properties of drug and to achieve the site-specific action of the drug. Preparation. Nanoparticles are prepared from the dispersion of polymers by different techniques like nanoprecipitation, emulsification, salting out, dialysis and supercritical fluid technology. In this, emulsification is a common technique which is used for preparation of nanoparticles. Advantages: it can enhance compound solubility, reduce doses, can deliver drug to site of action and improve absorbance. Last one is microsphere. Microspheres are spherical microparticles having diameter of 1 to 1000 micrometer. They are made up of biodegradable polymers like polylactic acid, copolymer of lactic acid, glycolic acid, albumin, dextrane sulfate and fibrinogen. Preparation of microspheres. They are prepared by different techniques such as spray drying, solvent evaporation, single and double emulsification technique, phase separation, conservation technique, solvent extraction. Advantages: microspheres can be injected or ingested, so the administration of medication via microparticulate system is more advantageous. Easy drug release from the formulation. Do not affect drug activity.